Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Science Olympiad Test Paper Class 5 Year 2016 Set B Part 1. Question number 1. Select the odd one out. Option A July, Option B December, Option C April, Option D October. Kids, in option A, that is July, December and October have 31 days, but April has 30 days, so odd one out is April. Question number 2. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure X. Options A, B, C and D. If we look this figure X closely, we can find that figure A is embedded in this figure X, and you can see it here. This figure A. So our answer is option A. Question number 3. Select the correct match figure and figures after 90-degree clockwise rotation. This is figure A, B, C and D. After 90-degree rotation, answer is option D. Question number 4. Find the correct mirror image of figure X if the mirror is placed vertically to the left. This is figure X and the right answer is option A. Question number 5. Mohit remembers that his niece Trishu had certainly been in Pune for one day after 16th February, but before 21st February, while Mohit's mother remembers that Trishu had certainly visited Pune before 20th February, but after 17th February. If both of them are correct, then on which day in February had Trishu visited Pune? According to Mohit, it can be between 16th and 21st. So it is 17th, 18th, 19th or 20th. But according to his mother, it is before 20th and after 17th, that is 18th or 19th. So the common dates between Mohit and her mother are 18th or 19th February. So our answer is either 18th or 19th. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 6. How many meaningful three-letter words can be formed with the letters A, C, R using each letter only once in each word? Option A, none. Option B, 1. Option C, 2. Option D, 3. We can make car, C-A-R, car and A-R-C, two meaningful words from these letters. So our answer is option C, 2. Question number 7. Select the Venn diagram from the options which best depicts the relationship amongst girls, athletes and singers. And our answer is option C. Question number 8. If clock is called television, television is called radio, radio is called oven, oven is called grinder, and grinder is called iron, then in what will a lady bake a cake? Option A, radio. Option B, oven. Option C, grinder. Option D, iron. We know that we bake a cake in oven, but in this question oven is called grinder. So our answer is option C, grinder. Question number 9. Find P plus Q plus R plus S so that the sum of all the numbers along each line is 15. Here 3 plus P plus 5 is 15. So P is 7. 3 plus Q plus 2 is 15. So Q is 10. 2 plus R plus 6 is 15. So R is 7 and S is 4. So if we add 10 plus 7 plus 4 plus 7, then our answer is option A, 28. Question number 10. If cylinder plus triangle plus star equals 4 cylinder and 1 cylinder equals 3 stars, then what is the value of triangle? In equation, in this balance, if we minus this cylinder from here, so that means triangle plus stars equals 3 triangles, 3 cylinders, and 1 cylinder is equals 3 stars. So 3 cylinders equals 9 stars. That means triangle plus star equals 9 star and triangle equals 9 minus 1 star. That means triangle equals 8 stars and our answer is option B. Question number 11. Which of the following figures shows the correct position of the given celestial bodies in the solar system? This is Earth, Sun, Mercury, Moon and Venus. If we see closely, we can see that our answer is option B, because all planets revolve around the Sun. So Earth, Venus and Mercury are revolving around the Sun and Moon is revolving around the Earth. So our answer is option B. Question number 12. The breaking news flashed on the television is shown here. The calamity being talked about here is a collapse of huge mass of rock was observed on a cliff in Darjeeling after rains. No casualties. Option A, avalanche. B, landslide. C, earthquake. D, famine. And the right answer is option B, landslide. Question number 13. The relationship between crop products of two different seasons is shown here. Peanut, potato. Which of the following options also satisfies the same relationship? Option A, beans, wheat. Option B, wheat and legumes. Option C, maize and rice. Option D, rice and wheat. And the correct answer is option D, because peanut and rice both are kharif product and potato and wheat both are rabi crops. Question number 14. The given figure shows two containers X and Y of different shapes. Farine filled container X with 100 ml of water. She then poured all the water from container X to container Y. Which of the following changes did she observe in container Y? 1. Change in shape of water. 2. Decrease in mass of water. 3. Change in level of water. 4. Decrease in volume of water. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And our answer is option C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 15. A cup of water was heated for 8 minutes. The given thermometer shows the temperature readings during different times of heating. At 0 it is 20, at 2 it is 26, at 4 minutes it is 32, at 6 it is 38, at 8 minutes it is 44. So each minute it is increasing three digits. So what could be the temperature when it was heated for 3 minutes? At 2 minutes it is 26. So after 1 minute it will be 26 plus 3, 29. So our answer is option C, 29. Question number 16. A pollution monitoring agency plotted the change in amount of X on the earth over time as shown here. Select the most suitable option regarding the graph. A. If X is UV rays reaching the earth, then it indicates acid rain. B. If X is carbon dioxide content in the air, then it indicates increased global warming. If X is ozone content in the atmosphere, then it indicates ozone layer depletion. Option D, none of these. And the right answer is option B. Question number 17. Identify the group that contains one example each of the three types of rocks and select the correct option. A. Granite, pumice, slate. B. Obsidian, sandstone, marble. C. Limestone, conglomerate, quartzite. D. Slate, gneiss, chalk. And our right answer is option B, as obsidian is igneous, sandstone is sedimentary rock, and marble is metamorphic rock. All are different type of rocks. Question number 18. The floating ribs are not attached to dash but only to the dash. Option A, breastbone, backbone. B, backbone, breastbone. C, backbone, ribcage. D, ribcage, breastbone. And right answer is option A, breastbone, backbone. Question number 19. The order of the expansion of three metals X, Y and Z is X equals Y is greater than Z. Then which of the following would be observed if bimetallic strips made of any two of these metals are heated? A, B, C and D. And the right answer is option A. Question number 20. The given figure shows a lunar eclipse. In case of a solar eclipse, the position of dash and dash should be interchanged. In this picture, here it is sun, it is earth, and this is moon. In case of solar eclipse, the position of earth and moon will be interchanged. So our answer is option B, Q and R. Question number 21. Match the labeled parts X, Y and Z in the given figure with the statement given below and select the correct option. This is picture of brain is given. 1. Controls breathing, heartbeat, swallowing, vomiting and coughing. 2. It allows us to accurately follow direction on a map. 3. Alcohol affects this part the most. Here X is cerebrum, Y is pituitary gland and Z is cerebellum. So uh, pituitary glands control breathing, heartbeat, swallowing, vomiting and coughing. So one is Y. Cerebrum allows us to accurately follow direction on a map. That means 2 is X and Z is 3. So our answer is option B. Question number 22. The organism shown here migrates A. To reproduce, B. To escape harsh water, C. In search of food, D. In search of shelter. And the answer is option A. To reproduce. 23. Two substances P and Q were used to fill a syringe. The plunger was then pushed in as shown in the diagram. Which of the following would most likely be P and Q? Option A. Oil, salt. B. Rice, oxygen. C. Air and water. D. Flour and water vapor. And our answer is option C. Air, because P is compressed and Q is not compressed. We know that air is compressed, but what liquid cannot be. Question number 24. Take a glass and fill it with water up to the brim. Make sure there are no air bubbles. Take a thick, stiff piece of cardboard and place it over the glass. Hold the glass with one hand and place your other hand over the cardboard and quickly turn the glass upside down. Now, slowly remove your hand from the cardboard. What will happen in the given activity if a fast air is blown below the cardboard? Option A. The cardboard will fall off. B. The cardboard will be harder to remove from the glass. C. The cardboard will bend into the glass. D. None of these. And the right answer is option A. The cardboard will fall off. Question number 25. A pulley is a simple machine that makes our work easier by making the direction of force applied to be in the opposite direction of the force that A. Opposes the motion of an object by acting between the surface and the object. B. Pulls any object towards Earth's core. C. Is exerted by magnet or on an iron material. D. Produces current in circuits. And the answer is option B. Pulls any object towards Earth's core. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell icon for notification to get second part of this paper. Thank you.